What's up, Peak Timers? Another 1 versus 6. Today we've got the Subaru WRX STi 22B all ready to race up against these 6 cars. Let's find out who's racing. We've got the Honda S2000 in this nice blue color with gold wheels. We've got the Nissan 300ZX in white with those T-tops on the top there. We've got a Toyota Supra MK4 variation, very nice in the red color. We've got Guaczilla Nissan GTR R35 Tanner Fox edition, and then we have the Mazda RX-7. Check it out, Hot Wheels livery on there, fantastic looking car. And last but definitely not least, the Fast and Furious Nissan GTR R34. Let's get to our racing and see how many of these cars can that Subaru beat. And it's race number 1, Subaru versus Honda S2000. Let's get ready to race. On your mark, get set, go! And the Honda S2000 just beats out the Subaru. Unfortunately for Subaru, you have one loss, but now we've got the Nissan 300ZX. Let's see if it can beat the Subaru as well, or will the Subaru tie it up? On your mark, get set, go! And race number 2, the Nissan 300ZX doesn't stand a chance against that Subaru, but now the Subaru's got the Toyota Supra. Let's see if the Supra can take the Subaru, or will the Subaru come out ahead? On your mark, get set, go! And the Supra gets a loss as well as the Subaru WRX 22B takes the win, but now it's got the Guaczilla. Let's see if Guaczilla can take that Subaru. On your mark, get set, go! Another loss for the JDM imports. That Guaczilla didn't stand a chance against the Subaru WRX STi 22B. Now it's got the Mazda RX-7 to go up against. Let's see what happens. On your mark, get set, go! This WRX is just angry, beating out the last 4 cars in this tournament. Now we have the last one. It goes up against the Fast and Furious Nissan GTR R34. This is going to be a fantastic race. Let's find out who takes it. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it, guys. The Subaru WRX 22B goes 5-1 against the JDM imports. Congratulations to this amazing looking Subaru WRX 22B. If you guys like this race, smash that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.